Okay guys, what's going on? So today we're not doing what I said I was gonna do in the last video. We're not doing the exhaust today. We're doing something arguably really important, honestly. I should have done this before I did the intake. I don't know why I didn't. I've had these for a while now, but anyway, what we're installing is high pressure fuel pump internals. So these are Auto Tech. I'm pretty sure that's what most people use. And yeah, this is what we're installing. No idea what I'm looking at here, but apparently it increases fuel pressure and does some crazy cool stuff that helps save your speeds. So that's what we're putting in. And the exhaust is still coming. Don't worry, the exhaust is coming this weekend. I wanted to get this out of the way because then when I do the exhaust, I don't have to go back and do this. And this means that I'll be able to go to a higher stage tune when I put the exhaust on. So we'll be able to go to like, I think stage 2 plus or something like that and make some more boost. So yeah. It's gonna be sick. And anyway, I already got the hood popped and I'm about to start working on this. It looks like I just gotta take this plastic cover off and then hopefully it's as easy as it being right here and I don't have to disassemble too much. I'm not really sure, I haven't looked at any instructions, but anyway, time to take this cover off. All right, so first things first, I'm actually just gonna take the battery off just to be safe. So we're gonna get this thing off and then we'll take this cover off. Okay, bolts are out, properly place these bad boys, covers off, and wow, that was a loud train. And it looks like, I believe this is it. So, it doesn't look too bad to take out. Ow, this car is actually super hot still, so I'm probably gonna let it cool down longer. But yeah, this is it. So this doesn't look too bad to take off at all. So I'm gonna let the car cool down a little more. Okay, so I've been reading actually on Cobb's website, and once I do this, we're actually gonna be able to go stage 1 plus. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the end of this video because we're gonna go drive this thing around. Looks like it makes 17 pounds peak, tapering down to 16.5. So this is gonna be sick. So make sure you guys stay till the end of this video because we're gonna go rip this thing and hopefully it doesn't blow up. All right, well, I'm waiting for this to cool down and I've been looking around a little bit and this definitely wasn't like this. I think it's because how low the front end's been or something. But let me just get the camera going here. All right, I hope you guys can see this. I don't think my axle boot is supposed to look like that. So yeah. So yeah, it looks like we're throwing a new axle in. So video of that coming soon. I'm probably just gonna do driver side and passenger side axles, just because I want fresh ones in there. Hopefully they last a while. And I'm raising the front up anyway. Freaking trains, man. I'm raising the front up anyway so that I can just rage this thing around corners, because right now when I turn, it's like, and yeah, so that was a great find right there. Super pumped on that find. All right, so the car's pretty cool. First thing I'm gonna do is relieve the fuel pressure by breaking a nut loose down here, which I can't really show you guys, but just take my word for it. So hopefully this works out. All right, so a little update. Pop these two hoses off, and then I'm getting ready to take the entire fuel, whatever thing you wanna, I don't know. I'm getting ready to take the whole thing off. That's what I don't know the name of it. I'm taking the whole thing off. So I'm gonna undo that real quick, and then we'll start changing out the internals, I think.
One hour later.
Thank God. Oh. All right, that took way longer than I thought. I kept messing stuff up, I don't know. Anyway, finally out, as you guys can tell. And thank goodness, because I was getting really, really angry. But here it is right here. So apparently it's as simple as popping this bolt off right here, and then you know, changing all the stuff out. Obviously I'm gonna look at the instructions for this because I'm not gonna guess. So let me pull up the instructions and then we'll start figuring this out. All right, I can't believe I'm reading instructions right now. It's rare, but anyway, coming over to this, looks like I just popped this out right here. Put a socket on the end. I don't have a vise, so this is gonna be kind of a pain, but I should be able to get it off, so that's the first thing we're gonna do. All right, so I gotta set up this new vise that I got. I can't get it with my hands, not strong enough. That thing is on there. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and set this up, and then we'll get the, I already got the ratchet ready with the 18 on it, and then we'll be ready to rip this thing off. Okay, ran over to the storage real quick, got an 18, so now we're going back to get that thing off. Had to get a little longer one, because that other one, I was having to put pressure on it, so hopefully this works. It worked. Oh, that's a lot of fuel. Actually, it's not that much fuel. All right, guys, it worked. So now, I believe, pop that out, and these are the internals. Wow, there's some junk in there. Huh. Well, good thing I'm taking it apart. Look at all the stuff that just came off here. Kind of cleaned it up a little bit. This piece doesn't go back on anyway, so, well, this piece doesn't. So now I'm gonna resort back to the instructions so I can figure out how to take the rest of this apart. Okay, so right now I'm just cleaning all the parts out, making sure everything that goes back in is clean. That way there's no like debris in there, but yeah, so that's going down right now, and then we'll start reassembling. All right, so I got this all reassembled, pretty simple, just like did exactly how it came apart, put it right back together the same way. So now I just got to screw it in this pump. I cleaned out the inside of it, this fitting and the inside of the pump, so just gonna drop this in, tighten it, and then this thing should be good to go. All right, well, that was pretty simple to put that back together, so now I'm just gonna throw it all back in the car and actually start reassembling. I'm not gonna go over this that much because it's the exact same process that I just did, except we're reassembling, so yeah. Gonna get this in and hopefully it works. Fingers crossed. All right, it's hooked up. I hope it works. Let's find out. I'm not starting the car yet, by the way. I'm just making sure it doesn't leak, so. Oh, the windshield wipers are on. That scared the out of me. Damn. All right, well, I think it probably primed. Let's see if it did. I'd assume it primed, but we'll go ahead and twist it one more time and see. But, oh, damn, that scared me. I thought that sounded like fuel was spraying everywhere. Okay, it definitely should be primed, so. For sure it's primed. So it doesn't look like it's leaking. Awesome. Looks like I did something right. All right, cool, so that is all in there now. I don't know if it's good to go yet. We'll see when the car starts, but for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and put a couple small things back on that I took off, and then we'll be good to go here for a little rip. Well, moment of truth. Let's start this thing up and see what we got going here. Okay, it's not leaking. Do we have good fuel pressure? Okay. Fuel pressure is really good. Dropped. Everything seems normal as far as I'm concerned. It's not leaking at all, so let's take it on a little test stand around the parking lot here. Okay, well, here we go. Gotta back out. I'll keep my eye on everything here. And then I'll probably pop the hood just to double check. I went ahead and left that plastic cover off just for a moment while I drive around. Don't worry. it is going back on. I just want to make sure this is going to be good. And then if this is good, we're going to go stage 1 plus. Before I go for the test spin, just want to say that thing looks amazing. Okay, well, short little test drive. Everything seems to be working great. I didn't go full throttle, but I hit 1700 PSI of fuel or whatever, you know? You guys know, I don't know these terms. And just gonna pop the hood real quick, make sure everything's good. If everything's good, gosh, there's another train. If everything's good, we're gonna go stage 1 plus. And then we're gonna have some fun today. So yeah, let's double check this. Good news, good to go. So let's go stage 1 plus and see how this thing feels. All right, I'm gonna get this started going stage 1 here. So, oops, I didn't mean to do that, I meant to exit. And we're gonna go to tune, change map. All right, and here we go. Stage 1 plus, we're gonna go 91 because I have 93 gas station around here, but I don't know how good it is. I don't know if it's really 93, so we're going 91. And while this is going, gonna get the GoPro all ready to go. And hopefully this thing rips, and hopefully it, you know, drives okay. Okay, first start after going stage 1 plus. Everything looks good so far, as I would hope. So yeah, got the GoPro on my head right now. Look like a straight idiot, but let's go drive this thing. Hopefully it's fast, and fingers crossed nothing happens, so. All right, well, GoPro's going here. Hopefully it's recording. Sorry about the train once again. Let's go see if this works. Got to get it a little warm, and then we'll be good to give it some rips here. Okay, we're about to turn around right up here, and then we'll do a quick little pull. And I'm kind of nervous. I'm a little bit nervous, I'm not gonna lie, but I feel like everything will be all right. That's the final last words, by the way, if anything does happen. Okay, here we go. Oh, I rubbed bad. Gonna do second gear. It rips. It's pretty fast. We hit 1900 PSI of fuel pressure, but so I think I read wrong. I think this tune doesn't up the boost, or maybe just a little bit, because we only hit like 14.5 pounds. I'll have to look. I'm looking real quick. Yeah, it's supposed to be 17 to 16.5. All right, we're gonna do another pull and see if we can get to 16 here. All right, we're going for 16. There we go. We'll probably roll into it in third here. Okay, we only hit 14 there. Maybe I have a boost leak? I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna head back. This thing still is fast either way, whether it's making 14 pounds or 16, you know. Well, at least it feels fast. So, yeah, we're gonna head back right now. I'm gonna make sure everything's good, no leaks or anything. But look at that, we almost hit 2,000 PSI on the fuel pressure there. That's a lot of PSI. All right, guys, so that was it. Stop beeping. Car worked good. The only thing was I was only able to hit roughly 15 pounds, 14.9, but I'm gonna round up. And it's supposed to be hitting like 16 and a half. So I'm not sure if I have a boost leak somewhere. I'll have to check. But expect a video of that coming soon. We're gonna do a boost leak test. But otherwise, this thing's running really good, no leaks. I just checked, and I mean, it rips, so yeah, that's sick. Also, I noticed, I don't know if it was the fuel pump internals, maybe just how dirty everything in there was, but I was actually knocking more before I put the high pressure fuel pumps in. Like the knock hard, it was, sometimes it would peak to 2. This time it only hit 0.35, so I don't know if that had anything to do with it at all. I'm sure it did something, but yeah. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and lots of cool stuff to come. Enjoy. Peace out.